First time back here in a few months. Down the boat. Coming up with us, so I asked my brother if I could borrow his boat to take it out. So me and Buddy are just heading out to the islands now. Gonna see what we can go explore. We're heading straight out of the mouth right now, heading towards the islands. Buddy's excited as ever. Peace. Since the floods here, it's opened the mouth a bit more, so I don't really know the right path at the moment. So we're just gonna take it easy outside the channel here. I just hit a sandbar back there, but that's all good. We got the old mate on the jet ski out here. Pulled up to our first spot. It is nice and clear out here today. Beautiful day for it. Beautiful. So today I'm diving by myself. I'm going to be very cautious of the depth I go. So I'm mostly going to stay in the shallows, looking for a bit of crayfish. And if we see something nice, maybe a nice trout or a mackerel or something that swims by. So I'll just pitch the tent here, gear up and see what we can find. So as I was gearing up, I looked back in the water. There's about, I don't know, millions of jellyfish here. Just little baby ones, but get them there. Just pulling up to the beach here to give Buddy a run. Hey, go, 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 go. Hey. Yeah. Oh, nothing in the bag yet. After this little break, we're gonna head back out. See if we can go find some more stuff. See if we can go find some stuff. Okay. I think I've just captured the rattlesnake rock wallaby. There he is. There he is. Get him! Get him! It's the second drop now. Not too bad. This looks like cray country. So yeah, this is definitely it. What a dive that was. So I came to this ledge, looked down in this little cave, seen a big trout head. I was getting ready to line him up for him to pop back out. My spear gun rubber broke. Anyways, came back and grabbed my little air gun. Went back to the same hole. Seen his head, seen him laying there. Seen his head, just popped out. Lined him up, shot, bang. Missed him. Anyways, that trout ended up escaping, couldn't find it. Started swimming back to the boat. I seen some nice plate coral. Swam down, seen this cray. Swam back up, get my breath, came back down in the hole, lined it up underneath. Point blank straight in between the eyes. Shot, missed. See you later. It was gone. So yeah, that's about it for now. Hopefully get at least one cray to cook up today. Okay, so on the fourth dive, multiple crays I missed, multiple trouts I've missed. I ended up on the last dive, ended up with a nice cray. This little bastard took me all day to get. So I guess you know what time it is. It's time to go cook this bad boy up on the beach. Hey bud. Sun's starting to go down. Hopefully we can get some aerial footage and cook this cray up. Righto, time to gather some sticks and get this fire started. Go find some dead grass then. Interesting little bottle I'll keep. What we got here? A bit of rubbish with sand in it. What is that over there? Found a weird object. Gonna go check it out what it is real quick. So this island I'm on now is called Rattlesnake Island. This is where the army bomb and shoot, do shooting practice. And would you look at that? Bullet shell. So yeah, oh, another one here. 2 bullet shells. 3 bullet shells. So yeah, they actually do accuracy practice, bombing, and all the techniques they do in the army. So yeah, weird. So yeah, this must be like a object they shoot. I don't know where they shoot from, whether it's on land or in the army boats or whatnot, but this is a container, it looks to be. It's pretty interesting actually. Oh, look at that. You can actually see all the bullet holes that went through the container. That's so cool. Hey bud. That's so cool. Oh, where were we? We were getting sticks to light our fire. That's so cool. And when you look at that on the other side of the container, it's perfect fire starting leaves. Check that out. Righto, we got our leaves. Let's go. Oh, there's my bottle. Put the bullets in there. Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! Got our little fire going here. Just let that cook for a bit. The cray starts to change colour to an orangey colour when it's getting cooked. So I'm gonna add the soy sauce now. That's soy sauce and honey. Just gonna dribble the soy sauce on, just so it filters through the meat. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do afterwards is add the honey when it's probably 3/4 cooked, and then eat it. I'm going to set this drone up. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, honey's falling out everywhere. Look at that. Whoa! Look at that! Hey? Forgot how to turn this bloody thing on. I think it's time to send the drone up now. You want me to stay? But I can barely use it now. You left my heart in bed.
about me drowning in the sea.
So yeah guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. Let us know what you want to see in the future. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video actually, because every weekend I've been trying to piece together my car, project car. And yeah, project car, which has taken some time. It's now on the road, but she's ready, and the next step is hopefully save up and buy a bigger boat. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.